Hi, and welcome back to the Elder Law Question and Answer series. My name is Micheal Rose, and I'm joined today by Sheryl Sodorff again. She's here to talk to us more about speaking to our loved ones about in-home care. Sheryl, I know that this is a big topic for you in your industry, talking to our loved ones about receiving care. So let's kind of, for our viewers, start from the beginning. When's the right time to start talking to our loved ones about the possibility of needing in-home care?
Really, it's when you have noticed changes in mom or dad or grandma or grandpa, significant changes that cause you concern and worry. An example would be putting something in the oven, not even thinking to use a timer, and totally forgetting it, and the oven catches on fire. There's damage done to the wall. Fortunately, dad or mom had a fire extinguisher and was able to grab it and put the fire out. But what if they had left and gone to bed and didn't wake
we've
up?
seen this happen time and time again, where,
Yeah.
with the oven or the
Yeah.
stovetop, leaving it on,
Yes.
and major problems. So that's a good point.
So
Keep
it's
going.
things like that. That's pretty serious. It's not just, oh, they've misplaced their keys once in a while. They forget to lock the door. You know, those are concerning, and you kind of want to give them reminders, but it's really something serious about their safety and well-being that starts to spur that conversation and thinking about it. And neighbors may share something with you.
Okay. So how do you initiate that conversation?
Well, it's difficult for a lot of families to approach, and for a number of reasons. There's emotions involved. It's my mom, it's my dad, and I already know that they're a little touchy about this. So if there's conflicts anyway, because one of the family members is doing some of the care, so they have sort of taken over because they're doing the care. If there is any kind of lack of communication there, or something not being communicated to the rest of the family equally, that can cause some challenges. So you don't want to cause stress with this caregiving cycle. You want it to be smooth and calm.
Right. Okay. So if say my loved one's condition is kind of up and down, it's in flux, what would be my first step?
Well, I tell families, please be sure you're gathering accurate information and relevant information. You know, we act on feelings sometimes, and they're just feelings because, again, we're emotionally tied to them.
Right.
Get facts. Find out and observe for sure. What have you seen? Document it. Write it down so that you can have a clear list to reflect back on. It's really important that you listen to your inner voice. Usually it is telling you something that needs to be addressed. And being able to go to doctor appointments with them, that's really critical if they'll allow it.
Okay.
And getting to know the doctor, because then you learn a lot rather than what's just given to you when you say, how was the doctor's appointment?
Okay. Yeah. And I guess this kind of leads into the next question, which is how do I know what level of concern is warranted? I imagine that the doctor could really help me out with that, but...
Yes, and again, observation is important. It's exactly what the doctor is doing when he's asking questions and examining. You know, having spoiled food in the refrigerator, I mean, really bad, that could make them sick, and in fact has been causing them to be sick. Having a decline in a particular condition they have, so they've changed meds. Okay, the meds could be contributing to some things. This is what the doctor is going to be able to help you with. Make sure that your concerns are valid. Notice it over time, multiple times. Go ahead and ask other family members and people close to them. See what they say and how they're feeling.
Okay. Well, great, Sheryl. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you.